Today over here we have our fifth axis rotary indexing solution, which is the rotary tilting table. We have the large swing ULSR series and the USSR series, mainly meant for medical components, automotive, cutting tool industries. This is what we're really focusing on, where you have a 5-axis component and you have an existing 3-axis machine and you can upgrade it for higher precision, higher accuracies. We offer the best-in-class repeatability and indexing accuracies in the market. We also have the most compact design. So even if you're using a drill tap center where you want to do high-speed machining, we are there to support you because our tables are very compact and can fit into drill tap centers for high-speed, high-performance machining. We're a solution provider to boost your machining productivity, and our latest generation comes with IP65 series, which means that there's no issues in terms of coolant leakage as well. We've improved and improvised our design in these aspects as well. UCAM is a technology-driven company. We have direct drive technology, we have the worm drive technology. We have a unique clamping system where you're able to attain the required work holding in terms of your fixturing solutions as well. We provide rotary union support if you're looking at hydraulic connections as well. We're a very unique service solution provider in this market. We're able to help you achieve higher tolerances, higher accuracies, and boost your machining productivity. The response has been pretty good. We've had all our international customers visit us throughout the day today, yesterday, and the day before. Please visit us over the next 2 days as well. We're at hall number 12, E51.